Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Pearson MyITLab Solution. Today I am going to solve the chapter 11 of the Excel part of the Pearson MyITLab course. And if you need help in any other part like Word part, Excel part, PowerPoint part, or SS part, or if you need help in a Pearson course, Cengage course, or Simnet course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp number is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or if you need help in any other subject like maths, stats, writing, nursing, psychology, you can contact me also. Now I am going to start this project. Its name is Exp22 Excel Chapter 11 Cumulative Assessment Accounts. Its project description is given here. You can read it carefully. You work for a tax accounting firm that has often in Albany, Dallas and Miami. Previously, you downloaded the data from the employee database. Now you will use the text database array and lookup function to obtain the result you want. That's our project description. Now we will move to our first step. I am going to do this project step by step. So by following these steps, you can complete your work also. In our first step, he is asking start Excel, download and open the file name exp22 Excel chapter 11 cumulative assessment accounts. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. That one first step only involves the downloading of the file from the Pearson MyITLab dashboard. I have already downloaded that one file. That's our file. So you will check this file to make it familiar with your assignment uh, book. So now we will move to our second step. In our second step, what is he asking? You will use the data worksheet through step 14. Your first step is to create unique ID for the each accountant using the year hired, date hired, and number. In the cell D2, type this value. So we will go to the cell D2 and type this value. That's our cell D2. We will type this value as a 2007-1018-10 and press enter. And what next he is asking to do? Use the flash fill to complete the pattern to create the remaining ID from the range. When you see this ID, this you will see it's a pattern copied 2007 year, then date, then number. That's our sheet. We need to make this one flash fill, so we will go to the here in the home tab in the editing, and here we will select as a flash fill. You see we have got our values in our column D column. Its values are 2008 first, then dash 0218 dash 11. That's our step number 1. Hint: the home tab contains the flash fill option. We have already used the flash fill option. In our third step, what is he asking? The accountant full name are located in the column E. You want to separate the first name and last name. Select the range E2 to E26 and convert text to columns using the space as a delimiter. So we will go to the cell E2 to E26. This is our column that containing the complete name. We need to change it as a last name, first name and last name. So we will go to the data tab. Here in the we will select text to column, and then we will select next, and then select space as a delimiter, and then press next. And in our E2 cell our first name will remain, and in the cell F2 our last name will come. So that's our now first name column, and that's now our last name column. That's our step number 3. In our step number 4, what is he asking? Next, you want to display the accountant names with the last name and first name separated by a comma. In the cell G2, insert a text join function to join the last name and the first name for the first accountant using the comma and space as a delimiter. The name should display as Adams and Camille. That should be our name he gave us. So we will go to the cell G2. Here we will put is equal to, we will put text join column, text join function. That's our text join function. What is the our delimiter? our delimiter is the comma. He tells us the delimiter using the comma and space as a delimiter. So we will use as a comma. First our delimiter is comma. Then what is the second thing? He is asking to ignore empty cells. What is our first text? Our first text is Adams. Then our second text is space button. We will press as a space button. Then put our first name and then close our bracket and press enter. So we have got our result as a and Adams Kelly. So our result is not correct yet. We will need to put as a delimiter as a comma, then and space, then press enter. So we have got our required result now. That's our. And what next he is asking, copy the function to the range G3 to G26. So we will copy this function to G26. Double click here. So it will be copied. That's our step number 4. In our step number 5, what is he asking? Column J contains the phone number you want to extract the area codes. In the cell K2, use the mid function to extract the area code from the phone number. For the first employee, the start number argument should be position of the first digit in the area of the code to avoid the including the opening parenthesis. Make sure the function extract the 3-digit area code. Copy the function to the range K3 to K26. So we will go to the cell J K2, that's our area code. We need to get the area code for this column here. Area code will be the first 3 letters, these 305619. This is the area code. So we will use the mid function, start our bracket. And what is the text? Our text is in the cell J2. What is the start number? Our start number will be character 2. And how many character we have? Number character 3. And then we will close our bracket and press enter. So you see we have got our area code 305 for the cell J2 to K2. That's our step. And what is he asking? Copy the function to the cell K3 to K26. So we will put drag that one downside up to K26. You see we have got our area code here 496305. That's our area code. That's our step number 5. In our step number 6, what is he asking? The location column display the city name in the capital letters. Because this is hard to read, you will use the text function to display the cities in upper and lowercase. In the cell M2, use the proper function to display the first city name in upper and lowercase. Copy the function to the range M3 to M26. So we will go to the cell M2. That's our cell M2. We will use is equal to. You see in our location column, all the city names are given in the capital letters. So we will use a proper function to make this one upper and lower case letters. Proper function. Then select L2 and close our bracket and press enter. So you see we have got a Miami name as upper and lower letters. So we will copy that one formula up to M36. That's our M26. That's our step number 6. In our step number 7, what is he asking? You want to create a criteria to range to perform an advanced filter to criteria are 1 text accounting in Miami and 2 text accounting in Columbus. Copy the range A1 to M1 and paste it A28 to M28. So we will select A1 to M1. This is our cell A1 to M1. We will copy that one, press Ctrl plus C and go to the M28 cell, A28 cell. That's our cell A28 and paste it here as a. That's our step. Next, what we need to do, enter text accounting and Miami in the cell respective in the row 29. So we will use text accounting. Here is the title. We will use as a text accounting. Make sure that there is no extra space in this while pasting that one criteria and Miami as a. So we will use as a Miami in the city column. Miami. Press enter. And what next he is asking to do in the row and in the row 30 text accounting, we will put text accounting in the row 30. That's our text accounting. We will put that one. Press enter. And next, what we need to do? Columbus in the respective row 30. That's our Columbus. And press enter. And what next he is asking, use the column M of the for the city name. So we have already used the column M for city names. This is our step number 7. In our step number 8, what is he asking? Now you are ready to perform the advanced filter by copying the database below the range criteria. Select the cell within the database. Select A1 to M26 as a list. Enter the criteria you defined in the previous step and type A32 to M32 as a location of the copied record. So we will go for the advanced filter. We will select in this. In the data group in the sort and filter, you will select advanced. That's our range. Filter the list in the place. You will select copy to another place. That's our list range A1 to M26. What is our criteria range? Our criteria range is downside A28 to M30, and where we need to copy our records as a result cells, that's in the cell A32 to M32. We will go to the select A32 to M32. That's our A32 to M32, and we will press OK. So when we go downside, we have got our result, our advanced filter result in the cell A32 to M43. That's our result. We have which we have tax accounting in Miami and Columbus. That's our step number 8. In our step number 9, what is he asking? You want to identify the highest salary for the tax accounting in Miami and Columbus. In the cell P2, insert a dmax function. Use the original dataset, the column heading, salary, and the criteria range. So we will go to the cell P2 upside. That's our P2 cell. We will put equal to. We will use dmax function. Dmax function to start our bracket. What is our database? It already tells us the database. In the hint, it has the use the original database set. So we will select the original database. That's our database in the cell A2 to A2 to M26. That's our database. What are the fields? He tells us the field will be salary, the column heading salary, and the criteria range. So we will use as a field as a salary. That's our field. We will select the salary field. That's our salary. What is the criteria? Our criteria will be the A28 to M28. That's our criteria. You will use that one criteria and close our bracket and press enter. So we have got our result in the cell P2. That's our step number. That's our step number 9. We have total 19 steps in this assignment. I have performed 9 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you need help in any other part of the Pearson MyITLab course like PowerPoint, Excel, Access, or Word, or if you need help in Cengage courses, SAM courses, Pearson courses, or SimNet courses, or if you need help in any other uh, courses like computer science, business management, maths, stats, nursing, psychology, or writing assignment, you can contact me also. You can contact me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video. or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video in the thumbnail of my videos. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get any video updates. Thank you.